there's one song on there that I started writing when my auntie died, and she died like 20 years ago. So, you know, it's a how long is a piece of string kind of thing. Sometimes when the inspiration hits you, that's it, in 5 minutes and you're done. I wrote one song on that album that I literally just sat down and I wrote the first line and it just went boom like that and it was done. So, but other times, like I've had stuff in my notebooks from 20 years ago, and then an idea that I've started working on now, and I've suddenly realised they go together, and about the same thing, you know, just 20 years apart. So, just keep everything is what I would say, and don't be afraid to edit. Your first idea quite often can be totally discarded, and you end up with something that you really weren't expecting. You know, just let yourself change. Let yourself just go easy on yourself. You know, I know it's very hard when you're feeling very self-conscious and things like that. It's hard to be generous to yourself, but it's important as well. Don't just automatically think that things are bad, and run them past your friends as well, because your friends will laugh at you, but they'll also tell you the truth. You know, which is great, and quite often they'll love it. They'll go, "Wow, that's amazing. I never knew you could do that." You know, friends are really handy.